Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Novelcrafter AI. In order to do so, here we are at novelcrafter.com. And what is Novelcrafter all about? Well, you can write without restriction. Novelcrafter's got your back, arming you with the tools you need to dream, draft, and deliver your story. And you can join a community of 68K plus authors today. Come to novelcrafter.com to start your 21-day free trial. No software to install, free learning resources, and it adapts to your needs. If you're haunted by a blank page, if you're drowning in character sheets, if you're out of yarn for the timeline, check out Novelcrafter. Challenges shouldn't define your writing journey. Novelcrafter is your writing platform for all genres, forms, and styles, whether you're dipping your quills or are a published author. And you can see here an example of what Novelcrafter is all about. And basically, it's all about being able to manage your novel. And you have a lot of different tools to separate things by chapter, and you have AI tools that can help you edit and brainstorm. Organization meets inspiration. You get access to the Codex, a wiki that truly keeps track, build up and refine all of your characters, places, lore, and more. The Codex automatically keeps track and links them for a true insight into your world. It's integral for brainstorming, writing, and reviewing, and you can come here to take a closer look at what the Codex is all about. It's easy to miss plot holes, inconsistencies within the world, and crucial moments of your story. The different planning modes give you a unique ability to pinpoint issues early and later on. So you can plan your story with Novelcrafter. And your codex can be shared across books in a series, so you don't have to copy, paste, or enter the same information over and over again. So if you have multiple books that you are conceiving of, then you might want to take a look at Novelcrafter. If you're an author pair or just need to invite a friend, proofreader, or editor to your story or series, Novelcrafter has many collaboration options, including teams for writing groups. Smart tools, your rules, as little or as much as you want. You can use AI to help you brainstorm, write, or review your story, but you're in control of how much you want to use it. It has an ecosystem that remembers your story. No need to re-enter information or copy paste between tools. The tools in Novelcrafter are designed to work together seamlessly. Build your own nifty shortcuts with the flexible and customizable prompting system, and you're not locked in ever. You can connect to an AI platform of your choice, or even run models on your own machine. And you've got ChatGPT, you've got Google, you've got Meta, you've got Mistral, you've got Olama. So you've got a variety of AI models to choose from, books to blogs to business. The flexibility of Novelcrafter can adapt to a wide range of authors, genres, and styles. So you've got fiction, nonfiction, short stories, ad copy, fanfic, game design, you've got a classroom. There's a lot here to explore. Here's some testimonials that you could take a look at. And Novelcrafter is built by writers for writers. We're independent creators who understand your needs. No venture funding, no corporate agenda, just writers helping writers. And you can start your free trial. And then from there, you're looking at about $4 USD per month. So that is gives you an idea of how you can get started with Novelcrafter. So head over to novelcrafter.com and you can start your 21-day free trial. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.